Here's an easy way to earn $3,000 a month online as a student. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ananya. If you're new here, please subscribe. Now I know most of you guys watching my videos are students and would love to earn some money on the side, but have you ever thought of turning your old homework, class notes or guides into cash? What if I told you that you can use your old study material to earn up to $300 a week right from your room? Yes, you heard that right. So in this video, I'll tell you guys how you can earn money online by simply selling your study documents on Studypool. Let's dive right into it. So basically, Studypool is an online learning platform that connects millions of students with different resources like tutoring, study documents, and book guides as well. But here's the exciting part for you guys, the students. Using Studypool's Sell Document service, you can upload literally anything from your class notes to study guides to old homework and assignments, practice quizzes, and everything in between. Now, I'm sure the next question that comes to your mind is what are the different types of documents that you can sell on this platform? Well, it can be anything, right from your handwritten notes to the proper typed up lecture notes to the old exam study guides or maybe mind maps, revision notes. Anything can be turned into cash, and it does not matter if the notes are made in English or not, any language will work. And of course, considering the amount of students across the world, even the subject does not matter. Whether it's something as complicated as astrophysics or even something creative like fashion design, there is a place for your notes on Studypool. Now let me tell you how the entire process works. First up, you need to sign up on Studypool's platform, and that is super easy. Just create an account and you can start uploading the documents that you have, and rest of the work will be done by Studypool. They'll show your documents and notes to millions of students across the world, and whenever a student buys your document, you can earn up to $10. And the best part, a single document can be sold multiple times, and that just sounds perfect. Now let's talk about money. That is the most important and exciting part. Once your documents are approved on the platform, you can continuously earn money by making sales. And once you're ready, withdrawing your earnings is super easy with so many options available like PayPal, Payoneer, and even direct bank transfers. So this is what the Studypool platform looks like, and you can upload documents from anywhere in the world. Now if you don't have time to sort out the documents yourselves, you can simply upload a zip file and Studypool will sort the documents accordingly. And usually their document processing time is between 2 to 24 hours. And every time you sell a document, you will get a notification. The best part is that there's no limit to your earnings because tens of millions of students use Studypool. So even if there's just one useful study material, that can be sold thousands of times and you can make tons of money. So the key here is to upload tons of study material to increase your chances of selling documents multiple times. So what are you waiting for? Start sorting through all your old study material and turn them into a profitable side hustle with Studypool. You can head over to studypool.com or simply click the link in my description to get started. Don't forget that all the effort and time you've put into making all your study material and notes is very valuable, and it's time to get paid for it. And yeah, that's it for today's short and sweet video. I just wanted to tell you guys about this amazing side hustle opportunity, and I'm sure it will be helpful for a lot of you guys. And yeah, if you made it till here, then comment these emojis, and thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys found it helpful, and if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends, follow me on Instagram, and until next time, bye.